All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Andrew from Colombia. I'm gonna do that. Actually over the weekend. I had a surgery in Colombia. It was a minor surgery, but I stayed one night in the hospital, and it was pretty. Feeling pretty good. A little bit recovering from the surgery, and it was a 6-hour surgery. So I'm recovering from that. But today, was a really difficult day for me in the beginning.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
At the open, I had a really bad loss in Tesla, both long and short side. And at one point, I was down like $20,000. I eventually recovered that with the trade on Tesla short and long on TQQQ. So it was really difficult for me at the open, and I had to take some time off, and Thor jumped in and covered for that. But eventually, it turned out to be a $2,000 day profit. So let's see what the day is. And I have only the SPY position and TNA, which I think I'd like to IWM goes to at least above 190 or maybe about 200. But now let's see what the trading was. One trade that Brian did at the open that it was really nice was a short on Alaska Airlines. Alaska Airlines is purchasing Hawaiian Airlines, so it was a really nice rising level short he did from 33.70 all the way up to through 31.80. So that was a really amazing short. It's really nice short that he did, and then he left. He's not here. So for Tesla. What I did at the open was, again, it was gapping down around 2%, squeezed up above the VWAP. I went long, very big size, and I was hoping to break the 237, dropped on me, I got a stopped out, and then I flipped the position to the short, and then it pumped back up and I got a stopped out. So that was two big loss, and then I went long again, and safety this time is going to go break, and I got a stopped out at the break even. So 3 trades here so far, and it was just really a nightmare for Tesla. Really volatile and really choppy. And I got a stopped out. Eventually, I shorted one more time, and then it popped up, and I got a stopped out. And then what happened was it went all the way up to the previous. So this is the time that I was really having a bad time from 9:45 to 10. And then eventually, after around 10, I saw that it's really double bottom Tesla, and the market was really weak. I went short at 238, and for the potentially for the getting to the low of the day, I really needed to this trade to work. Added below the VWAP, and as you see, it went all the way up to the low of the day near S4 when I covered all of my position here. So I made the losses on short back plus some profit. So that was the trade on Tesla for me. And then again, so there was 4 trades in total. So there were 3 trades here, and then there was a stop out, and then eventually this trade worked out for me. With the one add in there, and then I completely covered that. TQQ sold off. Again, QQQ was really selling off. And it was really bottoming around here, and I was thinking, okay, now we can take a reversal on TQQ. I went long again. This level seems to me that this was a level that is holding. I went long, dropped, I got a stopped out, and it quickly came back up, and I added long on that, and Qs were down 2% around this time. I added a couple of more times, and eventually we got the really bounce that I was expecting all the way up to 42.60, and I'm out completely on that. So from $20,000 loss to $2,000 profit, I'll take that all day. Again, I had to take that time off because I wasn't really doing well. But sometimes you take some time off and then you come back and you really put your mindset back in there. So Thor did a really amazing trading, and thanks for covering when I was having a really bad time. I know your trade on Tesla is here. You eventually got that short trade on Tesla. I don't know. You tell me what you did on Tesla, please.
Yeah, absolutely. And I do want to throw out there as well. I just love the demonstration you showed everybody. A lot of people don't understand the correlations between, kind of like, call it the gambler's addiction and trading. Sometimes you just want to be right. You just want that green day. So you just keep pushing and firing money into the market. And that has been the downfall of many a large, bank trader, not just us small traders, but I mean, even a large bank trader can do some pretty serious account damage that way. So just huge kudos and being such a beautiful example to the community on sometimes you're not hitting the right direction right now. You just need to take a breath, walk around, go grab like a little breakfast or something, like just take 2 seconds to reevaluate, set back in when you're in the right mind frame, and then get your day back if that's even something, or stop for the day or get your day back, whatever it's going to take. But really huge there. And I was kind of with you on Tesla. I was reading it a little bullish at the beginning as well, and we were opening just above support 4, so it looked like a great spot to try in some longs. So my first attempt, I went out at break even because I just didn't like the RVR I had on my entry, and I figured I was going to get a better price. So it got lower, and I re-entered this time with only using a new 1-minute low. Made some nice profit to the top side. And then went all out on the remainder of my position as we came through VWAP shortly after. And then I tried one more long off of S4 around 234 when we were holding there again, because I was reading some topside sellers and I thought we were going to bounce. But unfortunately, my timing was just a little off on that one, and I went ahead and took a 1 hour loss on that one and then called it a day. For me, once I've lost a certain amount of trades in a day, I'm just not willing to keep going. So kind of similar to you, but a little different. I'm actually kind of hedging out my day, just saying, hey, I made my goal for today, and I don't want to get myself caught for giving my money back, trying to prove myself right, even though it's going to give me an opportunity that I'm going to have to miss, but that's okay.
Excellent. That's awesome. Well, thank you so much for that. Again, thanks for covering in the first, in the half an hour when I had a really bad time. And I'm glad that you didn't jump back in there again. Again, you could jump back in there and you make it over trading, but sometimes you have to accept that and you walk away, because that's the gambling, and really the issue starts from there. All right, so it was a great trading day for me. I mean, it was, even though it was volatile. Again, my mind is still when they put you on the full anesthesia. Anyways, guys, thank you so much, and all the best. So see you hopefully tomorrow in the chat room, guys. Ciao.